Hello guys, today I'm gonna draw cherries in color. Before I had done another video, 3 marker challenge, where I'm drawing 3 cherries using only 3 markers of warm gray color. By the way, I can show it here. It's right here. So I'm gonna draw the same thing but in color today. I will start from the highlights using R32. This is going to be my lightest color in this illustration. I forgot that I have to put tracing paper in the back. For the next color, I'll be using R08. I'll be mixing together with R32 when I go to the edges of my highlights. The next color is going to be R27, and also I'll work together with previous color, so R08. And now we'll need to pay attention to the darker spots. So let's imagine that sun goes this side, so these other sides of cherries will be darker. be using R29 with R27 together. Next color, I'll be using R39. I'm mixing together with R27. I'll be using RV69 for the darker sides. Mixing together with R29. For these sticks, I'm gonna be using 3 colors: YG61, 63, and 67. Let's do some shadows. I'll be using touch markers, warm gray. Probably I'll choose white. Warm gray. Warm gray 1, 2. What is this? 4 and 6. Let's see. Now I'll add a little bit of colored pencils. And now I will finish it with white pencil and white pen. So this is it, guys. Here is my illustration. Let's compare it with the other one. So this was for my 3 marker art challenge, and here is today's illustration. Let me know in comments below which one you like more, in color or like black and white grizzle style. And thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.